What up everybody, how you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2023 Home Depot Skeleton Santa. Alright you guys, so I have been excited for this guy for a while. I love Christmas animatronics, and of course I love Halloween animatronics. This is basically what this channel is about at this point. So when I saw this guy, that he could be used for like both, and he's like half Halloween, he says some creepy stuff. He's a skeleton, but he's also a Santa. So I don't know, I'm just really excited for this, and especially for 150 bucks, it looks very worth it. So I'm excited to get this box open. Unfortunately, this guy doesn't have one of like the cool boxes. Like, he doesn't have any design art, and that's because he isn't online only. Which I'm not surprised about, and honestly might be a good thing, because if this thing was in the stores, could have a couple angry parents over that. So you kind of see everything once you open up the box. Like, I can see the head, but I mean I can't see the face, but I do see the head. You kind of got everything right here. So here's the base. Pretty usual size, a little bit big for only being 6 feet tall. Yeah, they've got little supports right here. They've got, for the shoes, little things. Something they definitely did not have to do, but I mean, that's just Home Depot being Home Depot, going above and beyond. Alright guys, so it appeared my mic just died. Sorry about that. I'm glad I looked down to check it. So I'm gonna have to be a little louder now. Right here is an arm. Not exactly sure which one this is, but this is an arm. That was almost bad. Oh, come on, get out. Okay, right here we have the hip loop, which will just make him a lot more real looking. Right here we have one of the boots, which actually look pretty creepy. It is just a regular Santa boot though, I think, but it is creepy. Here we have the instructions, paper instructions. So right here we have the chest piece with a bunch of stuff inside, which I actually really like the look of this and how you can use it. And I think they should incorporate this on most animatronics now, honestly, because it didn't drive up prices at all. It was only 150 bucks, this entire prop, which is less than most animatronics. They didn't use Undine, so if it didn't drive up cost, and it looks a lot better. So I think they should just use this from now on. Inside of that, they have, in the control box, they have the clothes right here, which look creepy as all get out. Right here we have the other boots. Right here we have more of the clothes. Looks like the pants this time. Wow, that's weird. These are real sticks in here. So this is the bag that he has over his shoulder, but these are real sticks. These aren't fake. These are real. Wow, I did not expect that. Yeah, like literally one of them just broke. Wow, did not expect that. That's weird, but that is cool. Right here we have the adapter coming out. Coming out right here is going to be the head. Wow. Very cool. Got the moving mouth, and apparently these eyes are really bright, and they look really bright too, so hopefully that won't be an issue. Here's another arm piece. And here is the hip bracket attachment thing. So that is going to do it for the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get to the setup. right, guys, Harlow's with me now. I just got done setting up Skeleton Santa. Here's a demo. He might be loud.
Why, hello there! Have you been naughty or nice this year? Naughty? You better get your act together. Much worse than coal will be coming to you and your family Christmas morning if you keep that up.
His speaker quality is so nice.
It was nice. I like all the trinkets.
Do you believe in Santa Claus? You better. A lack of festive spirit makes me very angry. And don't you want the gifts you asked for? Keep your ears open past midnight Christmas Eve, and you just might hear when I slither down the chimney with my terrible gifts.
All right, guys, that's a Skeleton Santa. Something I didn't point out in the unboxing is he has a zipper in the back. It's not Velcro, it's a zipper, which is very odd, but I actually like it. Again, it didn't cost, like, dude. Oh, okay. So it didn't bring costs up, which honestly, I hope Home Depot is like really just kind of testing some stuff out, because I'd love to see this on more animatronics. Like both of these things, I already got them staked down. That's not staked right. Go on one more click. Okay. So, yeah, 100% worth 150 bucks. Awesome. I really hope companies go towards this, like Lowe's and Home Depot again, because this guy's awesome. Jack Frost is also amazing. So, yeah, he's amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. The merch link will be in the description. Also, the link to buy him will be in the link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.